Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, see the mess I'm in. It's a cleanup with me video after dinner and breakfast. Today your girl has been lazy. I didn't clean up for breakfast, so dinner added makes it a mess. So I have to do this cleanup with you. So if you're new here, very big warm welcome to you. If you're an old friend, hey. Full bamboo and all that things, you can't wash it the same day. So we had full yesterday, and I soaked it, so now it's nice and soft to clean now. So then that's what is happening, and I hope all my beautiful kings and queens are doing great. So sometimes when I'm on duty, some of the things I just put meat in the oven. I put chicken in the oven, they dried before, and I didn't wash it. Don't judge. I have to go to work. guys, my good old favorite method. That's all I'm using tonight. Nothing more, nothing less. How I clean my countertops, when I spray like nighttime like this, I just spray all Method on it, and I'm going to use the sponge and warm water. A little bit of Zoflora. It's just tiny bit left. I'm just gonna drop it here, the last bit. Throw the bottle away. So now I'm gonna wipe my stuffs, and I see that the countertop gets more cleaner when I do it this way. So there's a soap and warm water and some disinfectant, and then I'll just clean it this way. It keeps it much cleaner for me this way than just spraying it and wiping it off. Because like if we do some baking and stuff like that, you get stuff stuck on here. So doing it this way helps me. So that's it. So what I do is, whenever I'm cleaning, I try to wipe this so it doesn't get too much, you know. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, can you please hit the subscribe button? I do cleaning, cooking and tidying up videos, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.